Canva is a popular graphic design platform that has taken the world by storm. It is a user-friendly tool that allows people to create stunning designs without any prior design knowledge. The platform is widely used by businesses, individuals, and organizations of all sizes to create everything from logos to social media posts. But have you ever wondered about the history of Canva? How did it all start? Who are the founders? Today we will delve into the journey of Canva, founded by Melanie Perkins, Cliff Obrecht, and Cameron Adams, from a small Australian startup to a global online design powerhouse. Melanie Perkins was born on January 10, 1987, in Perth, Australia. She attended the University of Western Australia, where she studied communications, arts, and commerce. While still a student at the University of Western Australia, Perkins came up with the idea for an online tool that would simplify the process of designing and publishing yearbooks. Melanie Perkins, along with co-founder Cliff Obrecht, started their first company, called Fusion Books, in 2007. Fusion Books aimed to provide an online platform for designing and printing school yearbooks. While working on Fusion Books, Perkins and Obrecht encountered challenges in the printing and distribution process of yearbooks, which led to the realization that the entire graphic design process could be made more accessible and user-friendly. Cliff Obrecht was born on August 24, 1986, in Sydney, Australia. He attended the University of Western Australia, where he studied commerce. Cameron Adams was born on June 7, 1976. And he developed an early interest in technology and design. He attended the University of Western Australia, where he studied computer science. After completing his education, Adams worked in various technology-related roles. He gained experience and expertise in areas such as web development and user interface design. Melanie and Cliff built Fusion Books, a school book-building tool to make designing less painful and more fun. The couple didn't stop at just helping people design these school books. They went on to print these books and physically deliver them across the country. Fusion Book helped the couple validate their idea and remains active to this day. Cut to 2010, and Melanie got her first big break. She was at a business conference in Perth when she happened to meet with Silicon Valley investor Bill Tai. What followed was Melanie pitching her product to Bill, and as a result, getting invited to Bill's private kitesurfing retreat for investors called Mai Tai. This retreat opened new doors for Melanie and Cliff and helped them attract investors. Their dream of having a one-stop shop design site was unfolding and Canva was born. In 2012, the couple's hunt for a tech co-founder began. Cameron Adams joined the team and this trio would go on to be the star founding team of Canva. Canva was founded in Perth, Australia, on January 1, 2013. Canva's early success was rapid. In its first year, Canva had more than 750,000 users. The company's user base continued to grow, and by 2014, Canva had 600,000 users who had created over 3.5 million designs. This early success attracted the attention of investors and Silicon Valley experts. Canva's co-founders were able to secure funding from investors such as Mary Meeker, an investor in Silicon Valley, who led an $85 million funding round in October 2019, valuing the company at $3.2 billion. Today, Canva has over 100 million active users in 190 countries and is one of Australia's hottest new businesses. One of the key features of Canva is its drag-and-drop interface, which allows users to easily add and arrange elements on their designs. The platform also offers a wide range of templates, fonts, and graphics that users can use to create their designs. Canva's design library includes over 1 million images, graphics, and fonts. Canva has experienced tremendous growth since its launch in 2013. The company has raised $86 million and is currently valued at $40 billion. Canva's user base has grown to over 10 million users in over 190 countries. The company has offices in Sydney, Manila, and Beijing, and has expanded its services to multiple languages, including Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, and more. Canva's international expansion has enabled it to reach a wider audience and establish itself as a global leader in graphic design. From static presentations to animated videos, Canva enables designers and non-designers alike to design instantly and break the status quo. In October 2019, the company acquired additional funding of $85 million in the funding round led by Silicon Valley investor Mary Meeker's Bond Capital. Canva is valued at $15 billion, backed by investors such as Blackbird Ventures and Skip Capital, and has over 55 million active users. Before we continue our story, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget also to turn on the notification bell to be updated in our every uploads. Canva has formed partnerships with various companies and organizations to expand its services and reach. In 2019, Canva partnered with Dropbox to allow users to access their Canva designs directly from Dropbox. Canva has also partnered with companies such as HubSpot, MailChimp, and Facebook to integrate its design tools into their platforms. Canva has collaborated with various organizations, including the World Wildlife Fund and UN Women, to create designs for social causes. Canva's growth and expansion have been driven by its commitment to providing easy-to-use and accessible design tools for everyone. Through its international expansion and partnerships, Canva has established itself as a leader in the graphic design industry. Canva is an online graphic design platform that offers a wide range of products and services to its users. The platform provides a user-friendly interface and a vast collection of templates, images, and design elements that can be used to create professional-looking designs. Canva has a strong company culture that emphasizes creativity, inclusivity, and collaboration. The company's mission is to empower everyone to design anything, regardless of their skill level or background. Canva's culture is reflected in its hiring practices, which prioritize diversity and inclusivity, and in its workplace policies, which encourage creativity and innovation. Canva also supports various social causes, such as environmental sustainability and mental health awareness. Canva's success can be attributed to its user-friendly interface, extensive collection of design elements, and commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. Overall, Canva's current state is strong, with a growing user base, expanding product offerings, and a thriving company culture. Canva's journey has been remarkable since its inception in 2013. From a small startup to a global brand, Canva has come a long way in just a few years. The company's mission to empower everyone in the world to design anything and publish anywhere has been the driving force behind its success. Canva's innovative business model has been a key factor in its growth. The company's freemium model has allowed it to attract millions of users worldwide. Canva has also expanded its services to cater to the needs of businesses, schools, and non-profit organizations. Canva's commitment to user experience has been another factor in its success. The company's user-friendly interface and extensive library of templates and design elements have made it easy for users to create professional-looking designs without any prior design experience. Overall, Canva's history is a testament to the power of innovation, dedication, and user-centric design. As Canva continues to evolve and expand its services, it is poised to become a leading player in the design and publishing industry. Melanie Perkins played a pivotal role in the company's growth, overseeing its expansion into a global platform used by millions of individuals and businesses. Melanie Perkins' journey from conceptualizing the idea for a more accessible yearbook creation tool to co-founding and leading Canva showcases her entrepreneurial spirit and commitment to making design tools available to a broad audience. Cliff Obrecht, along with Melanie Perkins, has received recognition for their entrepreneurial achievements. They have been featured on Forbes' list of the world's most powerful women and other prestigious lists. Adams, along with the other co-founders of Canva, has been involved in philanthropic efforts. They pledged to donate the majority of their wealth to charitable causes through the Pledge 1% initiative. Cameron Adams' expertise in technology and design has played a crucial role in shaping Canva into a widely used and user-friendly platform for graphic design. And that's the wrap of our story for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also please press the notification bell to be updated in our every uploads.